Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to be making garlic chicken. So to start off, I'll peel these garlic cloves. Okay, so that didn't take long, did it? So now I'll slice them up. So here we have the garlic sliced up now. So the next step will be to turn the heat on full, cover the bottom with olive oil, and wait for that to heat up. So once the oil is hot, I will add the chicken. And also the garlic. Some salt. And some black pepper. And we'll leave it there to fry off, browning it off. And I will turn the heat down to number 7. So let's give this a move about. I must warn you, this is jumpy, so watch yourself when cooking this. Chicken is always jumpy. Well, today I went shopping for some bits and pieces and I fancied some tea. As I couldn't find any PG tips or Tetley, I had to buy this Horniman's. So we'll see what it's like later on when I have it in the afternoon, as it's been many years since I've last had a tea. Well, let's move this about and see how it's doing. Still not quite there yet. I want everything nice and brown, including the garlic. Okay then, so once the chicken is nicely browned off, don't worry about it not being cooked in the middle, it will cook later on. And also, once the garlic has a nice suntan, what we will do, I'm going to turn this down, just right down to number 1, because I want to get this out of the pot without it splashing me any more than it is. So what I'll do is just get the chicken out, only the chicken, not the garlic. Ouch. Smells nice, by the way. So as you can see, the garlic has a lovely suntan. We still have the olive oil plus the juice from the chicken. Well, the water from the chicken more likely. So what we'll do now is add 1 tablespoon of flour. I've got my glasses rattling about up here somewhere, I don't know why. And we'll give it a nice mix about so that the flour dissolves and has no bits in it. And as the pot's still hot, I don't need to turn it up while I'm doing this. So that seems done. So what I'll do now is turn the heat up back to number 7 again and add a couple of bay leaves. Let's put them in there underneath so that they won't float. Well, they will end up floating, but not yet, you don't. And also I'll add a glass of white wine. Look at that. I'll give it a stir. This will get all the crispy bits from the bottom. Oh, look at that, how thick it's becoming. That is nice. So after about a minute, the alcohol will have evaporated, something like that. So what I'll do next is add the chicken back in. And finally, I will add a glass of water. I swish it about a bit to mix it in nicely on both sides of the chicken. And I'll turn this up to number 7. I had it on number 6. I never used number 6. Why did I do that? And we shall cover it up and leave it there for about, I reckon, 15 to 20 minutes. I will let you know. So while that is cooking, I'll give this a clean. Actually, it didn't splash too much today. I'm surprised, really. I think it's because I had the chicken out about 2 hours instead of cooking it straight from the fridge. And I'll pour myself a glass of wine and do the washing up. So it's been 5 minutes only. I'm just going to check it because as the sauce is nice and thick, I want to check that it's not sticking. And no, it isn't sticking, but nevertheless, just move these over a bit. Try to. I'm going to turn the heat down to number 3. So that's quite low. And just leave it there. for 10 minutes, I reckon. Okay then, we're back after 15 minutes and this is done. So all that is left now is to serve it up. So here we go. Look at that delicious sauce. With garlic and the chicken bits. Doesn't that look wonderful? I'm just getting my chips ready as well to fry, so that I can eat this with them. So here you go everyone. I hope that you have enjoyed today's recipe video. Please give me a like if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't done so yet. It will mean a lot to me, and I look forward to making my next recipe very soon. Thank you for watching and goodbye.